बट आप आई एम श्योर आप जितना इजीली बता रहे हो उतना इजी नहीं रहा होगा उड़ान के बाद। तो टेल अस अबाउट दैट।
सो उड़ान से पहले और उड़ान के बाद दोनों टाइम इजी कुछ नहीं होता वैसे तो लाइफ में, बट देन इफ यू एंजॉय व्हाट यू डू देन यू स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग द प्रोसेस। सो जो भी हो रहा है सब आपको इजी लग रहा है बिकॉज यू आर एंजॉयिंग इट। सो उड़ान से पहले भी आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ ऑडिशंस। हम दिन में जैसे अभी तो द एंटायर कास्टिंग वाला जोन जो है वो बहुत sorted है। They are casting directors, they are proper authorized people who, and there's a lot of transparency। पहले ये नहीं होता था, पहले coordinators होते थे। So the process was very tough। Like एक audition के लिए वो 300 लोगों को मैसेज कर देंगे and then everyone is going there for the same audition। So when I started, we started like that। So दिन में 10-10 auditions भी दिए हैं अलग अलग parts of Bombay में जाके। You go with your pictures, you give audition and wait for the call back। So but then because we loved and we enjoyed the process, हमने कभी ये नहीं feel किया कि, and I also lived in a very very small apartment when I came to Bombay। So I was in a tiny one bedroom apartment with 6 other people। So we were 7 people in one small little one bedroom apartment in Borivali। But then all of that, I like even then until today, I feel it's all been an experience जो उसी की वजह से I think it's shaped up the person who I am today maybe। So वो process बहुत सही था, जो भी था easy tough but बहुत मजेदार था। And even if you talk about after Udan, there were things you expect after you do your first film, especially you don't expect things before because पहले तो आपकी कोई expectations थी नहीं। You've just come as anyone else in a city to fulfill your dreams, right? So पहले इतनी uh, you don't have that many wish list or वैसे वाले wish होता है, but then you're not expecting too much out of your life। But then if you do a film like Udan, then you have, and when you have like the, like an Amitabh Bachchan tell you and that how much he loves your work, so then you start expecting from yourself। तुम्हें खुद से उम्मीद होने लग जाती है कि I think I need this, I should get this, and all of that। And when that doesn't work out the way you expected or anticipated it would, uh, it's not easy to handle that initially। But then again, I feel I'm really, really blessed to be the way I am। I grew a lot since then. For the first, I always say this, for the first 4-5 years after Udan, things were not very easy because you expect a certain way your career is going to shape up and it doesn't shape up like exactly like that। So right at that point you feel कि अरे where am I going wrong, what is going wrong, कैसे ठीक करना है। So every day you wake up with the same thought। So you have like a lot of angst, you have a lot of hatred, jealousy, a lot of harsh emotions you have। But then touch wood, I learned, I grew as a person, I started traveling a lot, that changed me a lot as a person। So 2015 onwards there was like major change in me, and especially me as a person, like in my personality there was a major change। And then I started seeing things very differently। So today at 31 in 2020, the Rajat, he genuinely doesn't care about that। Like everything is happening for a reason, I try and do my best। And then I always say this, that at 21, like recently I think a couple of days back someone asked me this question, if you could give an advice to the 21-year-old Rajat Barmecha, what would that be? So I said this
Okay।
कि I would tell that Rajat to not take your profession very seriously। Like, you know, and this is not just for an actor, this is any of you out there, your job, your profession, your business. Like, don't take your professional life too seriously because it's a part of your life, it's not entirely that defines you, right? It's just a part of who you are। So तुम्हारे अगर मैं एज एन एक्टर सक्सेसफुल होता हूँ, फेल होता हूँ, बढ़िया आता है, बुरा आता है, that has nothing to do with this another side of Rajat Barmecha which is so like huge। Like there's a huge chunk of Rajat Barmecha which is other than the actor Rajat Barmecha। So I need to give a lot of focus there as well। Just because some things professionally they don't work out doesn't mean you let the entire remaining part of you suffer। So these things I didn't understand at 21। आई ऑल्सो गेट चीजी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, वो मुझे बहुत मजा आता है पढ़ के। एंड गालियां भी आती
कैसे?
है, गालियां भी आती है मुझे, वो भी बहुत मजा आता है, बिकॉज गालियां
Polar, tell me that.
गालियां गालियां दे नेवर अफेक्ट मी नेगेटिवली। एक तो मुझे, आई रिसेंटली सॉ समवंस इंटरव्यू वेयर दे सेड कि जो ऑनलाइन ट्रोल करते हैं लोगों को, even while I was joining in, I saw a few negative comments for you. Then after I joined in, there were few negative comments for me. People abuse you. It's very, I always acknowledge these things. I never कि अरे वो ignore कर दो. I always acknowledge it कि it's
Frankly, just to interfere, frankly, I get distracted.
हाँ, सो
If I
पता
listen
है
to
इट्स नॉट
it,
बिकॉज हम,
totally get distracted.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो हमारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बाय लेटिंग दैट अफेक्ट मी, आई विल गिव दैट पर्सन पावर टू लेट मी गेट अफेक्टेड विद वन वर्ड और वन सेंटेंस और वन कस वर्ड. So I always feel like, I was talking about an interview I saw recently which spoke about how all these people who are trolling on social media, online कुछ भी लिखना, अगर आप कभी भी रियल में उन लोगों से मिल लोगे, आपको उन पे दया आ जाएगी. You'll look at them, you'll be like, अरे बेचारा, he's suffering. It's not that he's suffering and that's why he's never felt that importance, that power somewhere maybe. So he gets that sort of power on social media. He sees, he'll look at a Rajat Barmecha online and he'll abuse you. एंड उसको लगेगा कि अरे मेरे को पावर है क्योंकि वो रजत बरमेचा पढ़ सकता है अभी, एंड आई हैव अब्यूज्ड हिम राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज आईज. So it's like they are hurting, they are suffering. It's not like they can make you feel bad. So obviously I say the same thing कि यार it's not about me. आप गाली लिखते हो, मेरे को तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But at some point there might be that one person, one actor, one individual who might not be in a very good space that particular day, and that one word, one sentence of yours could maybe affect that person negatively. So try and not do it, because you never know where another person is coming from. You don't know their story.